We'll start now. Okay, we need to add 1 cup cake flour. One teaspoon baking powder. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1/3 cup cocoa flour. 1 cup sugar. 1/2 salt. And we need to strain all the dry ingredients. You will see there are some lumps. Kailangan natin siyang durugin. And now we will mix all together the dry ingredients with our whisk tool. Okay, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Because I don't have liquid, I use powder. Combine all together the mixture of dry ingredients. Okay, now we're going to make a hole or circle inside. Next, we need to add 2 eggs. 1, 2 eggs. Next, we're going to add 1/4 cup oil, any oil, canola, sunflower oil, and then add 1/2 cup milk. And we're gonna whisk it all together, mix all together the dry and liquid ingredients. You can use mixer if you want. Next, after we mix, we need to add 1/3 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, coffee, 1 teaspoon of instant coffee, and mix it all together. And put it into our mixture of cake. Next, you could add distilled vinegar, only 1/2 teaspoon, or apple cider vinegar, and put it in the mixture and mix it again. And and our chocolate mixture is ready. Okay, here's our mixture of cake. I will put some nuts. This is optional. If you don't want to put nuts, it's fine. But me, I will add some nuts. Any kind of nuts, walnuts, almonds. Okay. And now I have two pan. You can use this pan or this round pan. But now I will use the round pan. This is a rice cooker. And now we're gonna put our mixture of chocolate cake. Okay, you need to cover it with foil. Okay guys, because this is no bake oven, we have two options. We will go and steam this. You have this, put it inside and cover it. Okay, now we already put our chocolate cake steam. We already steam our chocolate. No oven, we don't need oven. Steam lang natin at okay na. And now we're going to do the frosting. We need 1/2 cup sugar. 1/3 cup cocoa. 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. 1 cup milk, full cream milk.
You try to do now here.
And then we're going to mix all together. Using our whisk. Okay guys, here's our frosting. It's already dissolved. Tunaw na siya. And now we will put it into stove for medium heat until it's cooked and getting thick. Okay, here's our frosting. Super hot pa siya after 10 minutes. We need to cool down before we put it in our chocolate cake. It's very good. Medium heat only. Don't put it high. And it's really creamy and good. Okay. I add butter, 1 tablespoon of butter, and mix it all to our chocolate. We need 50 minutes and it's already 40 minutes, 10 minutes more. Okay, here's our chocolate cake after at least 1 hour. We need to cool down because it's very hot. It's very good. Cool it down and later we will put our frosting chocolates. Okay guys, I already removed our cake here and here. We need to remove this paper that we put. We will let it cool for 10 minutes. We need to put it like this to have some air, and later we will do the frosting. Ayan guys, let it cool for 10 minutes. Kailangan may butas-butas or hole. It's very nice. Later, we will put the frosting. Okay guys, after nating ma-cool down ang ating chocolate cake, we are now ready to slice in the middle to put the filling inside. Para yung palaman ay sa gitna. Okay. Ayan, nakat na natin siya sa gitna. And now, we are ready to put our frosting. Sa gitna. Kailangan natin gumamit ng spatula. Okay guys, ayan na. Medyo mahirap siya gawin. May palaman na siya sa gitna or filling. And now, ang lalagyan naman natin ay itong toppings. Yan. Paikod lang siya. Yan guys, no need to have oven. Only we need to steam. Yan guys, because para naman hindi siya masyadong pure chocolate, I put some walnut toppings. It's optional guys. You can put confectionery sugar as toppings, but this time I put walnuts. Very nice. Very nice, my chocolate cake. Now, kakat na natin siya. Makita nyo na kahit wala tayong oven, pwede tayong makapag-bake ng cake. Yan. Ready na talaga ang aking cake. Yan. Guys, yan yung loob niya kasi may nuts. Sobrang sarap and yummy. Here it is. My chocolate cake. No bake oven. Moist siya at sobrang soft. Okay, tips. Kailangan gamitin nyo ay cake flour, not all-purpose flour. It's more soft. Okay guys. Ngayon ay titikman na natin ang ating chocolate no bake. No bake oven. Ayan guys. Kahit wala tayong oven, it's very soft. Kapag kinat mo siya, sobrang moist niya. It's very yummy and creamy. And dahil meron siyang nuts, grabe. Kailangan ito itry. Super. Perfect for a cup of tea or coffee.